So this is another video. Welcome back. We're going to continue building our single home, and today we're going to do creating the upper levels. So the first thing we're going to do before starting is we're going to close our drawing. If you have it open already, just close it, hit save. The last thing we did was the roof. So now we're going to go back and open up our project browser. So if I'm in here now, we see we have our level. So we're going to go click on it, but not double clicking, and then right click, and we're going to go do copy construct to levels. From here now, we're going to go make sure we copy it to the upper level. So we're going to go make sure it goes to the upper level, guys. Press OK. And now it's going to bring it up, and it's going to be called entry level first floor. We're going to rename it now. Rename. And we're going to call this one here upper level. Like so. Oops. Upper level. And once you get this pop-up, say repath now because we changed the name. When you modify the name, it's going to change everything. Let it open up everything. There we go. So now if I open up the upper level, it should be identical to the entry level. If I go look, the only difference is now the building's being pushed up to the second floor to make room for the other building underneath. Good. Now we can go back to the top view, and now we're working on the second floor. So now we're going to continue to modify the slab above the entry level. So we're going to go back over here. So this is done. So we have it. Now we're on the second floor. Once we're done copying it, we're going to close it. Say yes. There's our second floor, which we'll fix on the next tutorial. And we're going to go open up back the entry level. And again, if you look now, if I close all these, you see that the building's being pushed back down again where it was originally. Let's go back to the top view. And now we're going to go modify the slab above the entry level again. So we're going to select the slab again. Slab we did over here. Where is it? Look for that purple line. Right over here. Slab. And we're going to go and edit the vertexes. And we're going to add one. And here now we're going to go to the corner right over here, and we're going to add one over in this corner near the mudroom. And the other one we're going to add at the bottom, right underneath it, right over here. Oh, why did it select the new vertex? Right over here. Oh, I think something happened, so let's undo that. Let's do that again. Click on the slab that we had before. Go to add vertex. Select a new point, which would be this corner right over here. And now let's do another one. Add vertex, and over here as well. There we go. So now we added the two vertexes for our slab. The next thing we're going to do now is we're going to see the little arrow right over here. We're going to click it. And you see that we could change stretch the slope. So just for that one. So now we're going to grab it. And we're going to grab it so it's perpendicular to this one here. Click. There we go. We added the slope that way. And now we should see everything else looks perfect. Now we're going to draw a rectangle. And we're going to draw a rectangle over our staircase. So from here, we're going to draw it all the way down to here. We added a slope here before. Now we're going to cut out the hole on top. Now that we did that, we're going to go and cut the hole out. Before we cut it out, we're also going to lower our rectangle by grab here, and we're going to bring it down 8 inches. Like so. Now we're going to go add a hole. So we're going to go make sure we have our slab selected. Like so. We're going to go click hole. add. We're going to go choose our polyline, which is right over here. Press enter. You want to erase it, we're going to say yes to erase the hole. And like that, we have a hole cut inside for our staircase. So if I go look at the 3D, there's our hole cut out. Ta-da! Our stairs are cut out. Okay, now we can even hide the roof by clicking on it. We're going to go back to isolate it, hide objects, and we're going to go add interference again. So we're going to go to click on our sorry, our staircase. Hold on, something went wrong here. We're going to select our slab, sorry. The slab here, which is the same one, slab. We're going to go use our interference, add, and we're going to go choose our staircase. The stairs, not the railing. There we go, our stairs. Press enter. And we're going to use subtract again. There we go, so it cuts the actual stairs out. Alright, now we're going to go back to the corner here and do end isolation objects. And like that, now our stairs is not cutting out. We have a wall cutting through it, so we're going to do the same thing to the wall underneath as well. What is the wall? What is this? Let's just do it again. Interference, add, select the object, subtract. There we go. And we fixed that staircase as well. Good. And there you go. There you have it. We added the cut out the hole, and we are done for this tutorial. Thank you so much. Again, put it back to the top view, 2D wireframe, whatever you like. Hit the save button, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you again, and have a good day.